really have much options for staying, and we can't get back to my Vatten. Overwhelmed. Someone is doing donuts around our car. We are stuck. That's the road. We have survived. We had to jump the car twice.
Couldn't see the road earlier. It was very scary.
Ran us into the ditch next to the road. We're just enjoying why we came here. How was it?
Amazing.
Yeah. Worth coming out here for. In the cold, in the rain, the mechanic, the jump starts.
Worth all of it.
There's the van. It's currently snowing outside our little campsite in Nakiri. Let's go inside. Here we are. And we got bathrooms. That one has a shower, which is super nice. Kitchen for the night. We're gonna cook our turkey chili or beef chili. Let's see, anybody leave us anything? Some bread. Also has a nice little lodge area where I plan to watch the championship game tonight, which is super awesome. So we get a nice cozy little space here to recharge and recover. Let's go Eagles! Alright, good morning. It is around 8:20 a.m. on Monday. I'm gonna pick this suitcase up. And we are still at the campsite in Nakiri. Had a good night's sleep inside the little lodge area. They have it upstairs where you can sleep in. We made that decision. Probably get one because I think it was a pretty cold night. Snowed off and on, I think, last night. Not too much. Some snow on the car. Tracks and footsteps are gone, but nothing heavy. Yeah, we're trying to get an early start. Get over to Waterfalls for the sunrise. And then back into Akiri to check out the city, town, I guess. And then, there's a little unnamed hot spring apparently around here that we might try to check out if we get time, which I think we will. And then we're going to go over to the Vatten Lake area, which we will stay tonight, but we'll see it in the daytime. And then over to GOC in Husavik for a 7 o'clock appointment. So really exciting day.
4-mile tunnel time.
Apparently they built this tunnel because the mountain pass roads are very hairy in the winter and they're often closed because of weather. So they built this 4-mile tunnel under the mountain so that people can cross easier.
It's like Pennsylvania.
So we just finished Waterfalls.
Waterfalls?
See it? It was very cool. Huge waterfall.
It was beautiful.
Yeah,
You could see like the glacier melt falling down, and just, oh, it was beautiful.
You can like look up and see the mountains and know kind of where the water came from.
It's like one of those things that inspire you about water.
Yeah, it was good because not too many tourists were there with us, so it was nice to like kind of get it to ourselves. I also tried out the slider for the first time. It was really cool. Got some good shots. It's the learning process, but flew the drone too. Got some good shots of that, and
I got to walk around a store for 20 minutes.
yeah. Now it's time to go back to Akiri. Check out the town in light. Go a few shops, eat some lunch probably, make some lunch, and then head back this way to maybe check out a uncommercialized hot spring that's new, and then Maivatn Lake, and then go to the real hot spring that we have a
Reservation
for later.
Yes. Very excited. Great trip.
We're outside of Akiri on the other side. There it is. It's a really fun, small little town. We both really liked it. Now we're gonna head to the little secret hot spring to see if that's any good. But it's just a really beautiful area. So we're across the bridge from Akiri, and there's this natural hot spring that we wanted to check out, and it's here, and it's just this like kind of waterfall that cascades off the cliff, and it just literally falls right into the harbor, the water, you know, the fjord, I guess they call it, and it's warm, not hot. So I have no interest in going in the little pool at the edge, but crazy person over there is all in. She says if we're gonna be here, why not do it? So she's preparing herself to go out there, jump in. I'll take some pictures, video maybe, and then she's gonna hop out, jump in some baggy clothes, and run to the car. And the result, how was it?
Amazing.
Yeah? Worth it? I think I came out more hurt than she did.
It was warm. It was nice.
Yeah, it was freezing because I was taking pictures.
Waters were bubbling.
Was it warm? You feel good? Wow. We couldn't have both done it. So I gave it to you. We're at Lake Maivatn. It's the end of the day, basically sunset, and it is breezy out. It's blowing really hard.
It is freezing.
Freezing, really cold, really windy. I want to get out and actually show the wind. Come on. Hey, where are we at?
The Geo Spa in Husavik.
GOC.
GOC.
In Husavik. All the way up in the northern coast. How is it?
Wow, my hair looks crazy. It is warm and freezing, and it's fabulous.
It is. It is like snowing and it's blowing wind like earlier still.
Snowing and blowing.
But it is nice in the bath. We are relaxing after a very long and stressful day. Driving.
Couldn't see the road earlier. It was very scary.
It was scary.
But Brian did an amazing job.
Alright, so back at the camper van. Sorry. We just finished our GOC plunge. It was awesome. The GOC people have been very nice, and since the weather, as you could tell, is pretty horrendous, and it is all over the country, we don't really have much options for staying, and we can't get back to my Botan to stay at the campsite we thought we were going to. So they've been nice enough, they're gonna let us stay here. And when I got out, I asked them if they had a microwave so we could heat up our leftover chili. And the guy was super nice. He said they have one in the staff room, but it would be okay if we used it. So I'm getting that. Then I gotta run it back inside. I heat it up, come back to the van and eat our chili and put the heat on and chill and probably just go to sleep early would be my guess. For some context, one of the challenges of staying in a camper van in Iceland is that you cannot just pull over to the side of the road or at a gas station to stay for the night. You must rely on dedicated campsites which dot the country, offering nighttime havens for travelers like us. During this summer, this is not an issue 99% of the time because there are many options to choose from. However, in the winter, a lot of the campgrounds shut down. Husavik does have a summer campground, but since it is all the way up north, they close for the winter, leaving very little options for people traveling there. The other complication is the weather. It does not care where your campsite is or what you've planned to do, and this night, winter reared its ugly head. There were consistent 25 to 30 mile-an-hour winds and gusts which were much higher. Oh, and not to mention that it snowed all night. We were not able to safely return to the winter campground in my Botan, and instead had to hunker down in the GOC parking lot. This was a very rough night. I was anxious and hardly slept because the wind was shaking the van so much, and I was hoping that it would not get any worse. Someone is doing donuts around our car. Unbelievable, man. It is gale force winds. And this guy is ripping donuts.